Welcome to Farewell Fridays at Gateway Bronco. This week's delivery, it's headed to Eau Claire, Wisconsin. This is an example of our Fuelie Edition product with almost every available option. Starting off with this custom glazurate paint finish in a custom color. Add to that our proprietary and patented convertible soft top. Underneath, you've got a California emissions compliant chassis. It's one of the nicest you'll ever find. An original VIN chassis recommissioned here at Gateway Bronco. Well, let's go take a look inside. This interior is ready for cruising the back roads of Wisconsin. From high back seats with soft, supple leather to this quiet interior that blows people's minds how quiet it really is. It has German square weave carpet in a brown hue, barnwood in the back, and every feature you could desire in a vintage Bronco. Now, we are delivering dreams to driveways. If you'd like to turn this dream into your reality, please give me a call. Thanks so much for joining, and let's take a ride together.